Dear students, today we are going to study the new concept from the topic differentiation, that is derivatives of an implicit functions. So before that, what is the meaning of an implicit function? See, as we know that if the variable y can be expressed as a function of the variable x, that is y is equal to f of x, then the function f of x is called an explicit function of x. So as we know that usually we denote the function or we express the function as y is equal to f of x, where y depends on x, then that type of functions are called as explicit functions. For example, here f of x is equal to x square plus x raised to minus 3. See, here y is depends on x, or for example y is equal to log x plus e. Okay, but if it is not possible to express y as a function of x or x as a function of y, then that type of function is called as an implicit function. So remember the definition, that y cannot be expressed as x or x cannot be expressed as y. For example, ax square plus 2hxy plus by square is equal to 0. This is one example. This is called as an implicit function because here x and y are not separated to each other. Okay. Similarly, x raised to m plus y raised to n is equal to x plus y raised to m plus n. This is also an example of implicit function. So in general, it can be expressed as f of xy is equal to 0. So x and y are together. That type of equation or that type of function are called as implicit functions. So remember, and here in this lecture we are going to study how to obtain the derivative of an implicit functions. So related to that, there is an exercise number 3.4 in your textbook. See the question number 1. Find dy by dx if the function is given, see here, root x plus root y is equal to root a. See, this is an implicit function. Similarly, x cube plus y cube plus 4x cube y is equal to 0. Or x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. Similarly, all these three also are called as implicit functions. Here only we have to study how to take the derivative of that implicit function. Okay. All the rules of derivatives are same. No any change in that rule. Just we have to use it for implicit functions. Okay. Now see here exercise 3.4. We have to find out dy by dx if first function is given root x plus root y is equal to root a. Now solve this to take the derivative dy by dx. So in answer, see, first of all, given function, given that root x plus root y is equal to root a. Now directly you differentiate this with respect to x. So differentiate with respect to x, both sides. Remember, we have to differentiate both sides with respect to x to get dy by dx. Now see, the derivative of root x, as all of you know that it is 1 upon 2 root x plus. Now we have to take the derivative of root y. Now as the derivative of root x is 1 upon 2 root x, derivative of root y is 1 upon 2 root y but into dy by dx. So remember this carefully. Okay, derivative of root y is what? 1 upon 2 root y into dy by dx by chain rule. Now see here, on the right hand side there is root a, as a is constant, root a is also constant. So the derivative of root a is 0. Okay, see this carefully. Here a is constant, that's why root a is also constant. So that's why the derivative of root a with respect to x is always 0. Okay, so the here derivative is completed. Now try to find out the dy by dx. Okay, so for that we transfer this 1 upon 2 root x to the right hand side. So left hand side will be 1 upon 2 root y into dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 2 root x. Okay, just transfer this 1 upon 2 root x to the right hand side. So what will be the dy by dx? So dy by dx will be, now transfer this 2 root y to the right hand side, it gives minus 2 root y upon 2 root x. Now by cancelling we get minus root y upon root x. So this is the final answer, that is dy by dx is equal to minus of root y upon root x, or you can rewrite it as minus of under root y upon x, like this also. Okay, so this is the final answer. So see how to get the derivative of an implicit function. So just the type of function is different, otherwise rules of derivatives are same. Okay, so try to find out this type of derivatives for implicit functions. Okay, now next function is, see here, x cube plus y cube plus 4x cube y is equal to 0. Now see how will you take the derivative. So given function is x cube plus y cube plus 4x cube into y is equal to 0. Now differentiate with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x, both sides. Now derivative of x cube is 3x square plus derivative of y cube is 3y square into dy by dx plus, now in this case 4 remains as it is into, we have to find out the derivative of x cube into y, but here we have to use u into v rule. So I will write here d by dx of x cube into y is equal to 0. Now complete this derivative in the next step. So 3x square plus 3y square into dy by dx plus, now 4 as it is, now in bracket use u into v rule. So by that u into v rule, now keep x cube as it is into derivative of y with respect to x plus, now keep y as it is into derivative of x cube is 3x square. See this carefully, u into v rule, and it is equal to right hand side is 0. Okay, now next step is keep 3x square plus 3y square into dy by dx. Now solve this bracket by multiplying by 4. So we get 4x cube into dy by dx plus here 4 into 3, that is 12 x square y is equal to 0. Now to get the final answer as dy by dx, first of all see all these 4 terms in which two terms contains dy by dx. So keep that terms together. So here 3y square plus 4x cube, for these two terms there is dy by dx common. So we will write 3y square plus 4x cube into dy by dx plus then other two terms are 3x square plus 12x square y as it is. It is equal to 0. Now next step, see here 3y square plus 4x cube into dy by dx is equal to, take this term to the right hand side, so we get minus of 3x square plus 12x square y. Okay, and hence we get finally dy by dx as minus of 3x square plus 12x square y upon 3y square plus 4x cube. Now further simplification is not possible, so we can keep this as a final answer, that is dy by dx. Now see this, how will you get the derivative of the given function? Okay, so you can keep this as a final answer. Now see the next, number 3. It is given that x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81, and we have to find out dy by dx. So in answer, first of all, given function, that is x cube plus x square y plus xy square plus y cube is equal to 81. Now differentiate with respect to x, both sides. So hence, now derivative of x cube is 3x square plus, now see the next term, it is x square into y, so we have to use u into v rule. So here first of all I will write d by dx of x square y plus, then here also it is x into y square, so I will write d by dx of x into y square, like this, plus, now there is y cube, and we know that derivative of y cube is 3y square into dy by dx by chain rule, and it is equal to, on the right hand side there is a constant term 81, so derivative of 81 is 0. Okay, now complete this derivative by using u into v rule. So 3x square first term as it is plus, now derivative of x square into y, so here I will write it in bracket, x square as it is into derivative of y is dy by dx plus y as it is into derivative of x is x square is 2x. So we completed the derivative of x square into y like this. Okay, this is y into 2x plus, now the derivative of x into y square, again by u into v rule, keep x as it is into derivative of y square is 2y dy by dx plus, now y square as it is into derivative of x is 1, so no need to write here, plus, now here d by dx of x into y square is completed in this bracket. Now last term is 3y square into dy by dx, and it is equal to, right hand side is 0. Now see this expression totally, I will rewrite this, 3x square plus x square into dy by dx plus this is 2xy plus this is 2xy into dy by dx plus y square plus 3y square into dy by dx is equal to 0. Now see all the terms which contains dy by dx, so keep that together. So x square plus this one is 2xy plus this is 3y square, and commonly multiply with dy by dx, plus other terms are 3x square plus 2xy plus y square. See carefully. So here these three terms into dy by dx plus all these three terms. Now next step, to get the last answer, that is dy by dx, we have to modify this. So next step is x square plus 2xy plus 3y square into dy by dx is equal to minus of 3x square plus 2xy plus y square. Shift this term to the right hand side, so that's why it becomes minus, and hence we get dy by dx is equal to minus of 3x square plus 2xy plus y square, and divided by x square plus 2xy plus 3y square. So this will be a final answer. Simplification is not possible, so that's why you can keep this as a final answer. Okay, so always remember how to take the derivative of implicit functions. All the rules are same, just we have to separate out the final answer, that is dy by dx is equal to. Okay, so try to solve this type of questions. Thank you.